Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to use rosemary oil for hair loss. Hair loss can be a common concern, but fear not, as nature has some wonderful remedies. Today, we'll show you how to harness the power of rosemary oil to promote hair growth and improve the overall health of your hair. Let's get started. Introducing rosemary oil. First things first, let's talk about rosemary oil. This amazing essential oil is derived from the aromatic herb, rosemary. It has been used for centuries for its various health benefits, including promoting hair growth. Rosemary oil is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that stimulate hair follicles and improve circulation in the scalp, which can lead to thicker, healthier hair. Preparing the rosemary oil. To get started, you'll need high-quality rosemary oil. You can either purchase it at a store or make your own at home. To make your own, simply steep dried rosemary leaves in a carrier oil like olive oil or coconut oil for a couple of weeks. Once you have your rosemary oil ready, it's time to move on to the application process. How to apply rosemary oil. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. This will help our channel grow and we can bring more useful content. Applying rosemary oil is easy and can be done in a few simple steps. Before applying, make sure your scalp is clean and dry. Now, take a small amount of rosemary oil on your fingertips. Gently massage the oil into your scalp using circular motions. This will help stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles, promoting hair growth. You can also apply the oil to the length of your hair to nourish and strengthen it. Leave-in treatment and safety tips. For best results, leave the rosemary oil on your scalp and hair for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. Some people even prefer leaving it overnight for a more intensive treatment. Now, a word of caution. While rosemary oil is generally safe, it's essential to perform a patch test before using it to ensure you're not allergic. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a dermatologist. Incorporating rosemary oil into your hair care routine. To maximize the benefits, consider incorporating rosemary oil into your regular hair care routine. You can use it as a pre-shampoo treatment, mix it into your shampoo or conditioner, or even create your own DIY hair masks with rosemary oil. Remember, consistency is key. Use rosemary oil regularly, and over time, you should start noticing improvements in hair growth and overall hair health. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to use rosemary oil for hair loss. We hope you found this video helpful. If you try this natural remedy, let us know in the comments how it worked for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.